Don't be sad, don't be lonely. Don't you know that I love you only? Just be mine, and I'll be yours forevermore. Don't shed a tear, don't hang your head and cry, for no we can make it. Make it if we try. Just be mine, and I'll be yours forevermore. Let's stick together, and you will see. Come rain or come shine, you'll be happy with me. So just be mine, and I'll be yours Don't be afraid, don't be in doubt. I'm telling you, baby, let's go all out. Just be mine, and I'll be yours forevermore.
Hey guys, so I'm quickly popping in to say hello and good afternoon. It is currently 3:45 and it is a Wednesday. It's also the 16th of October, a day after submitting my dissertation proposal. So about that, I wouldn't say I'm 100% satisfied with my dissertation proposal submission, but knowing that that will change, I mean, my idea, my research questions and my research aims and objectives will likely change. It's fine. I could just work on that between now and February, when I would have to submit my first 3 chapters of my dissertation. So that would include the introduction, literature review, and methodology. So I've got from now up until the end of December to work on my literature review, and in between November and December to actually finish my methodology chapter. All is well until you realize that you've got a lot of work to do, and that is exactly the point where I'm at. Is to having to do a lot of reading simply because I rushed too much to the point where I'm now a bit confused. I don't know how that happened, but it just happened. It just decided to happen. But yeah, there we go. That is my update on my dissertation proposal. Oh, and also I forgot to apologize for not filming Monday and Tuesday, simply because I was extremely stressed out with submitting my dissertation proposal and hitting that deadline. That's why I didn't film Monday and Tuesday. But also, I was in London for the weekend, so couldn't say I relaxed because I didn't. I really didn't. I just decided to stress out on my dissertation proposal, and that was my London trip. But anyway, it was at least a good getaway during the weekend, and maybe a fresh start to this week. So in terms of today, Wednesday, because that is essentially why you guys are here, to know what is today. So today I did not have any contact hours, although I did have some meetings to attend to. But tomorrow, Thursday, I do have a contact hour from 9 to 10 in the morning. So that is another extremely early wake-up call for my leadership module. And then on Friday, I got a leadership seminar from 11 to 12, so that is another one contact hour. So not too many contact hours this week, although I'm pretty sure next week will be fully booked. As I can see, I'm literally looking at my calendar right now. My theory is correct. I hope my update was useful, and I hope you guys enjoy the rest of this vlog. I'll see you later.
Don't you know that I love you only? Just be mine, and I'll be yours forevermore. Don't shed a tear, don't hang your head and cry, for no, we can make it. can change.